Hey guys, it's Chris with LS Fabrication. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our stainless steel cup holders in a 47 to 54 Chevy Truck. So first thing you're going to want to do when you get your order from LS Fabrication, take your cup holder out of the package. You'll notice that it comes with this protective coating on the surface that's to prevent it from getting any scratches during shipping. You're going to want to remove that. Once you got your protective coating removed, you'll see that your order comes with an LS Fabrication sticker, as well as a thank you card. We appreciate your order and support. Make sure to tag us or send us photos once you got your cup holder installed. It also comes with the hardware that you'll need to do this install, and all that you're going to require is a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. No drilling is required to install the LS Fabrication cup holder in your 47 to 54 pickup. The holes come from factory in the bottom side of the dash and are located right here and here. So first thing you're going to want to do is install your Phillips head stainless steel screws into the slot in the cup holder, like so, and then line them up to the factory holes in the bottom side of the dash. Take your nuts and get them started on the back side. There's one. There's two. Once you've got your nuts on finger tight, this is where you require your number 1 Phillips screwdriver. You can snug your cup holder up nice and tight. Just like that, you've now got a cup holder in your 47 to 54 classic Chevy truck. Make sure to check out our website. There's 3 different options for these cup holders, and we actually offer them for GM trucks from 1947 to 1987. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a good one.